Welcome to video 7.1c, prove the exterior angle theorem. Once again, you can't use a theorem to prove itself, so we're going to use other steps to prove the exterior angle theorem and then use the exterior angle theorem the rest of our lives. Alright, this is example 2. So given triangle DEF with exterior angle 1, prove, now I've changed the notes a little bit, prove that the measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. E plus D, but just a little bit easier with numbers. Okay, so step 1, we're given this. So triangle DEF with exterior angle 1, that was given. All right, so here's going to be the gist of the proof. These two angles sum 180. These three angles sum 180, and then combining them we'll get what we want. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So I could say the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. Again, if two angles form a line, then they sum 180. If two angles form a line, then they sum 180 degrees. Then I'll say the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 180 degrees. Or I'll say it this way. The measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. And I'll say that's because of the triangle sum theorem that we proved earlier. And now, if this equals 180 and this equals 180, then I can use a transitive property and set them equal to each other. So I'll now say the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 2. And again, that's going to be transitive. Okay, now I'm just one step away. Notice, if I were to subtract away the measure of angle 2, I'd get exactly what I want. So, I'll do that. The measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4, subtraction property. And there you have it, a proof of the exterior angle theorem.